Mmm, this is so delicious, guys. Some warm water. We have some dried yeast. Just 7 grams will do you. So good this recipe is going to be. We're using strong flour, guys. And we're just kind of making up a yeast mix first. We have some salt, and then we're going to add some sugar after this. Guys, this is like the perfect, like, oh my god, my friends are coming over in 2 hours. I'm going to make something fresh. I have a bowl of soup and I'm going to throw this bread on the table and watch them devour it. We're going to mix it, and we're going to put it aside for 10 minutes only. Okay, I'm going to keep mixing it, but we're going to cover it with a towel anyway, and it just makes it extra delicious. Now, I call this the herb mix. Olive oil, only about 80 grams. You could put 80 mils even. You could actually put 100 if you wanted, but that's all I did. And then I did a sprig of parsley, and literally it was just a sprig washed and chopped. Nothing special there. But fresh herbs just make a difference. I did the same with basil, like a good fistful, not crazy fistful, like a child's fistful. And then we're gonna chop it, and we're gonna add it to the oil. My kids absolutely love this, guys. It was such a delicious recipe. Okay, I'm gonna go hard on the chopping now. Go easy on me because I'm hardcore. Okay, so we chop everything up together. You can do it separately, or you can do it together, but I don't mind. I'm gonna keep going for it. So I chop it up. I think fresh herbs and herbs even just makes it such a delicious meal, guys. Sorry, I am bunged up with a cold, but I'm bringing this to you. We're gonna just add it all to the olive oil mixture. It's such a simple thing, and I added a bit of salt in here. I didn't necessarily need to, but I just thought, you know what, let's make it bougie. The first time I made it, it just felt a little bit lacking. Now garlic, guys, I said 3 cloves of garlic, but go as much as you like. If you like garlic, that's a good thing with recipes. If you like something, go hard on it, because that's the beautiful thing when you're making something from home. So let me just crush that garlic in. Beautiful. Look at that. It smelled like garlic for about 4 days after. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna whiz that up. We don't want to whiz it too fine because you want to see the bits of herbs in it. It's gonna make it so beautiful when you look at the actual bread at the end. So don't go too fine, but make sure everything is well mixed. It's such a beautiful mix, actually. I think it might make a nice little salad dressing or just over wraps and stuff. Really nice. So now we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna make our flour. There's like 450 grams of flour that I'm doing. Strong flour again. As you know, I buy in bulk. And we're going to put it into the mixing bowl. All I used was my stand mixer. Yeah, I am making that useful. And then we're going to add our yeast mix. I kind of kept 50 grams of or 50 mils of water to the side just in case I needed more. But sometimes all you need is a little bit of patience. The first time I needed more, the second time I didn't. I'm just going to mix it with the dough hook. We're just going to keep mixing until it makes a proper dough ball, and you're going to see the sides are lovely and smooth. My god, this is a game changer. Imagine I was doing this by hand, which I normally did. Oh, I'll never go back. You can see the sides getting nice and clean now. So you can see that is made with total and utter love. We're going to actually just put it back into the bowl, and we're going to cover it for about 30 minutes. You're going to see it's after rising, and actually I don't know if I showed you in this video that it rose, but it did rise. And then we're going to make our dough. But I don't know what I was doing here. I was just finicking it with it, but I kind of made it a little bit more rounder, and you can see the texture that you're looking for. I think that's what I was trying to do, so you guys could see the kind of texture. But anyway, let's cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. I'm going to flour a surface, and then I'm going to flour my rolling pin. I always do that. It just makes it easier to roll, and it's the way it should be done. I love this rolling pin. I actually got it from Duds. Somebody, I don't know, the edit or something, but really nice. I really need to get a few more of these bad boys. Because I bake so much at this point. I bake for everybody. Let's add the dough and let's not be too finicky like I was. We're gonna roll it out. I want to keep it like an inch, just a little bit. I kind of do it at one of your groove of your fingers, but like thick enough. You're gonna see me showing you. I don't know if that is an inch. It could be a centimeter, but no, it's a good inch, isn't it? I don't know. But we're gonna keep it thick enough anyway. And we're gonna add a little bit of parchment paper. I got this parchment paper in Lidl and it was already cut. I don't know how I feel about that, but look, it's after saving me and it was the perfect size for this. I'm gonna use a pizza cutter, but you could use a knife, guys. Let's not be too fussy. And we're gonna make squares. So pretty. Did I need more squares? I don't know. Then we're gonna simply just add our oil mix on. It makes it's actually just so pretty already. You're just looking at it going, this is going to be good. Don't be afraid to load up the oil mix and let it get between the lines, because that's what's going to be the game changer for the pizza when we're finished. So we're going to add whatever toppings you want. You could have olives, you could have onions, peppers, whatever you want. But I'd say don't go overboard with the toppings because the juiciness is in the bread and that olive oil herb mix. That's the life there. Imagine adding this to soup or something. Woo! Game changer. Then we're going to top with some grated mozzarella. I'm not going to lie, I haven't made it with actual mozzarella balls, so I can't really tell you how that's going to be. Now I'm going to have to up it that to 200 degrees Celsius, and look how it came out, guys. I can't even tell you how nice it was, even the day after. This is a good bread. Look at it. Oh God. I don't know what to say. It was so good. We devoured it. Like, it lasted 2 days. A day and a half. And it was still fresh the next day. So nice. It's a game. You put that on that table and people will love you for it. I'm standing beside this recipe. Yep. Taking this one to church with me. It is unbelievable. Oh my God, guys, this is so nice, so tasty. And if you don't want to put ham in it, don't put ham in it. If you don't want to put, if you want to put olives, I think was the recipe I saw. So it was a vegetarian version of it, but it's absolutely so nice. Actually, I'll show you a bit where it's real spongy. I don't know if I'm showing this right. Yeah, here we are. You see it? Absolutely gorgeous. Honest to God. Dangerous. We like it, guys. Good one, isn't it? We're gonna keep that recipe going. It's going good, Eliza. So nice. Thank you so much, guys. They want to watch the TV. Let them watch the TV. Let them eat cake. Yum, 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 yum.